classification based on functional groups. This is an attempt to classify the organic compounds based on the functional group present in them. This is the table shows the class of compounds and their functional group in addition to their general formula. Here the first class of compound, it is a classification. Under classification there are several classes. The first class of compound given is alkene. Actually, alkanes are the saturated compounds not given in this table. These are the basic compounds having no multiple bonds and no functional groups. Why alkanes are leaved here? Because they not having any functional group. If we consider the multiple bonds as a functional group, we can include alkene, a double bonded compound, alkyne, a triple bonded compound, and listed here. But alkanes, they are not having any functional group as well as not having any multiple bonds, double or triple bonds. That's why they are leaved from this table. But alkanes also a class of compound having no functional group. So we can place it as a serial number 0. Serial number 0, class of compounds alkane, functional group single bond, general formula CnH2n plus 2. Then serial number 1, alkenes, functional group double bond. Here not given any functional group, we can just put equal sign for double bond. General formula CnH2n. Serial number 2, the second class of organic compounds classified based on functional group, alkyne or alkynes, functional group triple bond, general formula CnH2n minus 2. Serial number 3, alkyl halides. There are 4 different halides. Functional group F hyphen Br hyphen Cl hyphen I. Hyphen is given for bond. General formula Rx. We can individually write Rx as Rf, Rbr, Rcl, Ri. Here X is given for halogens. Alcohols. This is the 4th class of organic compounds based on functional group classification. The functional group of alcohol is OH, bond OH. General formula ROH. R is any alkyl group. OH is a functional group. 5th class, ether, bond O bond. It is a functional group for ether. The general formula for ether is R O R dash. For mixed type ethers, the alkyl groups R and R dash are different. If both the alkyl groups are same, we can simply write as ROR. Class 6 aldehydes. The functional group CHO. The general formula RCHO or any alkyl group. Seventh one, ketone. Functional group bond CO bond. General formula RCO R dash. This is the general formula for mixed type ketones having different alkyl groups. For simple ketones, we can write the general formula as RCOR or R2CO. 8th class, carboxylic acid. Functional group bond COOH. General formula RCOOH. Then the classes 9, 10, 11 are the carboxylic acid derivatives of compounds. Carboxylic acid derivatives. What are they? Esters, acid anhydrides, acyl halides. 9th one, ester. What is the functional group for ester? It is a modified functional group from carboxylic acid functional group bond COOH. Here H only replaced by some alkyl groups. So the functional group of ester is bond COOR. So the general formula for ester is RCOOR dash. R and R dash are any alkyl groups. The second derivative of carboxylic acid is acid anhydride. Here the functional group for acid anhydride is bond COO bond. The general formula for acid anhydride is RCOOCOR dash. This is the anhydride formed between two different acids. If the anhydride is formed between same or similar acids, then the general formula can be written as RCOOCOR. Here the functional group bond COO bond is a anhydride form from two molecules of acid molecule, carboxylic acid. What is the functional group for carboxylic acid? Bond COOH, 1C, 2O and 1H. Here in acid anhydride, for two acid molecules having the functional group COOH 2 times, so totally 2 carbon atoms, 4 oxygen atoms and 2 hydrogen atoms. Here H2O molecule is extracted between two acid molecules, gives acid anhydride. That's why the general formula can be written by the form of acid anhydride general formula bond COO bond. Then the third acid derivative of compound is acyl halide. Here halide also have number of halogens. There are 4 halogens, important halogens: fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Here acyl halide or acid halide have the general formula bond COOH X. X is replacing the OH of the carboxylic acid functional group. So the general formula RCOX. X may be any halogen atom: fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Among the four halogen atoms, chlorine is very common for the formation of acyl halide or acid halide. So often called the acyl halides by the name acyl chloride, and also acid halide often called by the name acid chloride. The 12th class of organic compound based on the functional group. What is that? Sulfonic acid. What is the functional group for sulfonic acid? Bond SO3H. What is the general formula for sulfonic acids? RSO3H. We know the formula for sulfuric acid, H2SO4. Actually, in H2SO4, the OH group is replaced by some alkyl groups give sulfonic acid. The 14th class is amine. Bond NH2 is a functional group for amine compounds. Bond NH2. The general formula for amine compound is RNH2. R is any alkyl groups. The 15th class is amide. It is also a carboxylic acid derivative. We already studied 3 carboxylic acid derivatives previously. What are they? Esters, acid anhydrides, acyl halides. In addition to these derivatives, amides also the carboxylic acid derivatives. It is given as a 15th class of organic compounds under the classification based on the functional group. Here, what is amide? Amide is an organic compound having the general formula bond CONH2. Here, the NH2 replaces the OH group of the carboxylic acid. So it is also a derivative of carboxylic acid. What is the general formula for amides? RCONH2.